Hianglam MLA Dr. Radhesham inspect More Market Complex. The complex inaugurated in 2015 is not functional yet. BJP all set to form the Council of Lilong Nagar Panchayat. There are 5 BJP councillors after another joined the BJP today. CAF and PD Minister Karam Sham asserted fast-paced development in the state possible only when elected representatives work honestly. PRO Kuki National Front Letkosen suspected to have been involved in the killing of KRA cadres at El Boljang village, arrested. And human rights activist Bablu Loitongbam points out that the freedom of speech and assembly in Manipur was lost in the 1990s. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You are watching Prime Time English News Bulletin and I am Victoria Rajkumari bringing you the top stories. Chairman of Manipur Industrial Development Corporation, Manitco, and Hianglam MLA Dr. Radhesham inspected the multi-storied market complex at More today. He was accompanied by the Managing Director of Manitco. The market complex, which was inaugurated in 2015, is not functional yet. The team inspected the interiors and exteriors of the complex. All shops were found to be closed. Speaking to media person, Dr. Radhesham said it is unfortunate that the marketplace, which was inaugurated by the previous government, still remains non-functional. He said the complex will be made functional at the earliest and asked those interested to occupy the shops to submit papers. BJP is all set to form the Council of Lilong Nagar Panchayat. There are now 5 BJP councillors after another joined the BJP today in the 9 wards council. Former MPP councillor Meena Kumari, who joined the BJP, was accorded a warm welcome by the president and other members of the party at the BJP office located at Dithe Park, Chutek. Ibm Cha has been appointed the leader while Meena Kumari deputy leader in the 5th member BJP councillors. CAF and PD Minister Karam Sham has asserted that there can be fast-paced development in the state only when the elected representatives of the people work honestly. He said it is not the time to hinder development due to narrow political perspective. Speaking at the inaugural function of Ima Nongpok Panthoibi Laibung Sanathong at Kawa Naurem Laikai, he further said representatives of the people should be held responsible when PDS items under NFSA gets lost. Karam Sham said all rice in the market except for local Lakshmi rice and rice from Arunachal Pradesh should be available at 3 rupees per kg. He also assured that the government will try to make a policy to solve the scarcity of rice faced by the people.
Ngasi akoi market ta phangi ba sing sing che praja na lupa ahum da laija ga da ba sing ne hari lupa ahum da phangja ga da ba sing do lupa ma adi kun mari manga da phang bane ha bisti praja sina khangdre karam ba sing no praja gi da madda adi Pangjagada Lupa, whom the Pangada Sindo, Kana woman, Sinti, yon Toraga Praza, Adi Sinti Pangmune. Abuki sing Praza Lupa, whom Pangange, I believe them the Sinti control totally. The Sin Basuni, Napsagi, Sindi, market yon way of seeing nothing.
Minister Karam Sham has asserted that it is essential to improve the economic condition of women to have a developed Manipur. He was speaking at the awareness program organized with an objective to impart knowledge on self-employment to women at the residence of the minister in Chajing Mairengkong Laikai today. Karam Sham pointed out that without creation of livelihood, there cannot be development in the society. He further said, considering the role of women in the society, they should be provided all assistance to get appropriate jobs to improve the economy. If a person is determined, he can achieve what he desires into life. The minister urged the people to use the funds sanctioned for the welfare of the public wisely. He also urged them to work together with proper planning for a stable economy and ensure of all necessary assistance. Women self-help groups of Langtabal constituency attended the event.
Muy karisin bang nungui na paisa ni kari hiram nungui paisa padari, muy paisa ki growth of kaya tari. Paisa ki padari sih mereka paisa ki mangan na tari paisa ki growth ki mata ni lakse logo. Bank ku khazan laba, ay ku khazan target di paisa ki limit lain dia.
PRO of Kuki National Front KNF led Kusang allies Soson, who is suspected to have involved in the killing of 2 KRA cadres and an El Boljang village, was arrested by a joint force of Imphal East and Imphal West Commando headed by Additional SP Operation Imphal West Dr. S. Ibomcha today. A 22-point revolver along with 6 bullets and 2 mobile phones were seized from him. Speaking to media person, DGP LM Kaukte said a team led by Additional SP Operation Imphal West, Dr. S. Ibomcha, raided Saparmaina village of Kangpokpi district early this morning. During the raid, former Defence PRO and now the PRO of Kuki National Front, led Kosang Eli Soson, was arrested from his house. Soson is now under police custody and is being interrogated for various other cases. Speaking further, DGP Elam Kaukte said Ledkosen is being questioned about his involvement in the killing of 2 KRA cadres on May 5th at N Boljang village. On the other hand, Imphal West Commando team has named an active worker of PLA from Thongju Phaija Laitong on the 8th of this month. The person is identified as 47 years old Koijam Warjit, son of Led K. Yaima. On this very day, another team of Imphal West Commando nabbed the proprietor of H&B Enterprises, Thogdam Hemchandra, alias Itomba, aged 40 years, son of Led Abar from Laidik Gemba Laikai near Dinku Road. He is involved in providing financial aid to KCB Progressive Organization.
.22 revolver, my possession recovered to 6 live round. She recovered to commando team na. Ma ikoina masi area the rate of antisocial elements and some members of UG group aduway the crime tawduna numit kaya mamang dagi adum chathaduna le haiba team sena phangbangam base specific intelligence input ikoina develop toga adu phangbang matungda ikoina rate se chathabane case registered tori aduga efforts are on to find out magi involvement kari case the yawge court ke haibese kanna hojik interrogation chathari.
The Arambam Somorendra Trust organized a one-day symposium on conversation on contemporary issues, changing discourse on human rights in Manipur at the Government of India NSCN-IM Political Dialogue and Amplification for the Future of Manipur at Lamyanba, Sanglen today. The symposium was organized as a part of 17 Arambam Somorendra Martyrdom Anniversary. Speaking on human rights in Manipur, Director of Human Rights Alert Bablu Loitongwam pointed out that the rights of the people of Manipur to speak or assemble during a crisis has been lost in the 1990s. People have been revolting against AFSPA for a long time, and the security forces have been involved in many extrajudicial killings. Out of the 1,528 cases of extrajudicial killings, the Supreme Court will take up only 700 cases. He said there is a fear of few cases being eradicated and that it is time we discussed about further steps. Chairperson of Arambam Somorendra Trust, Dr. Lokendra Arambam, spoke on the Government of India NSCN-IM Political Dialogue and Amplification for the Future of Manipur. It was moderated by Chairperson of Northeast Coordination Committee on Human Rights, Advocate Chongthamcha Surjit. Members of various civil society organizations and many intellectuals were present on the occasion.
The Human Rights Committee has said, terrorists came about Matamda, Yamaru, you cannot be a bigger terrorist. Can a child terrorist where the Yamu, he had a Henry, the music to win upon my the Yaroi. Other than terrorist and insurgency affected area in the problem said. Basically, political problem. Other political solution for the car, other political solution for the right to self-determination, Article 1, the Geneva International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights, Article 1, the Geneva, self-determination. You are putting on
Manipur State Sumang Lila Council and Theatre Mirror will organize a one-to-month theatre training on Sumang Lila tradition from the 17th of this month. Project Director of the program, Warepa Naba, who is also a renowned theatre director, said the training program will give emphasis on Moirang Parba besides giving training on Sumang Lila tradition. Speaking further, he said enriching Moirang Parba, which is a branch of Sumang Lila, is a must. He appealed to interested people to visit Sumang Lila Sanglan for details. On the other hand, Chingtam United Women's Association will also organize Moirang Parva Festival from the 20th July to 25th July, and 10 women teams will contest in the event.
Yamdravda 80% jago evadi isai oiba. Subratagi wahi amadi vernacular sing asina 20% damo oibani Moirang Parvadi. Aduna jagoi isai movement martial art ki ngangi ba londa puda su aikoi yamna recitative oiba awang anem khai ba londa puda gi pot khara thaina gi ahlaman singna oja guru sing juna thambiram bado madu boi khoina ningsing jaraga hojiki Moirang Parba bu khara khara pahuri ba mayam sing achuga punsil laga Moirang Parba si mana sana sengal haudragadi tasena mangasidi Moirang Parba tawinaba group ase leisilaktrabani.
Lamding Educated Welfare Association Lewa organized a Pradhan Mantri Ujwala Yojana awareness program and an LPG safety clinic program at their club in Lamding, Kumanthem Laikai under the aegis of Athokpam Indian Gas Service. 45 persons attended the awareness on maintenance of LPG and safety measures. Manipur Legislative Assembly Speaker Y. Khemchan today inspected the repair works of Oinam Thingel riverbank and also planted several tree saplings. He was accompanied by the Mayor of Imphal Municipal Corporation N. Lokeshwar. Speaking to media person, Khemchan said the repair work was taken after the flood-affected river has been inspected by the IFCD ministers and other officials of the department.
Sijamai Kendra Konma Zaga Kudimakta river protection Hajabadare Masi Dipamanga Kusamnaga Tahobogi Mamang Shi the Sukai to Wazagani Quadi Kutpazagani the Dambishi Kong Lambi Satpaya the Zaga Yorme High Basing Si Sagi Dipamena so Mating Bang Virakanda Masi Shilo Wudagi Handagi Sing Isausi Sijamai Kendra Manunda Shawi Yamkana Awaba Nangudri Hodre Yam Twina Kaibada we later secret session may have a pami me paring it house and see World Environmental Day Loiragasu Madugi Sataba Paraman in the Kalaganda as you Tabagi programs you Torban Sinmatuna Tazagedobuni.
Now let's take a small commercial break. We'll be right back in a short while. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News Bulletin. United People's Front UPF Manipur and Artist Training Cum Educational Research Center, that is ATERRC, has announced the results of state-level patriotic song competition which was organized in connection with the 17th death anniversary of Arambam Samarendra. The list of winners can be accessed from United People's Front UPF Manipur. The Academic Incentive Award Committee, Mayang Imphal, felicitated successful students of Class 12 examination conducted by Board of Secondary Education Manipur and Class 12 examination conducted by Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur at Mayang Imphal Bazaar today. Speaking on the occasion, MLA of the constituency and Parliamentary Secretary of Youth Affairs and Sports, K. Robindro, said scoring high marks in examination does not define success, and one can be successful with hard work even if the students do not score good marks in the examination. He said Tomcho Higher Secondary Government School at the constituency will be repaired, and also assured that huge cash prize will be awarded to students of the school if they can bag position in the examinations conducted by BOSIM and COSIM. He also assured of all required financial assistance to students who are appearing for the Indian Administrative Service IAS examination. Thongam Angauba Singh Memorial Trust organized the 3rd Thongam Angauba Singh Memorial Meritorious Award 2017 at Thobungkok Makhalekai Community Hall today. 53 students who excel in the class 10 and 12 examinations conducted by BOSIM, COSIM and CBSE along with 6 meritorious students of Assam Rifle School, Kaithel Manbi, were felicitated in the function. The trust also presented mementos to the elderly people of the locality as a mark of respect. Commander of 9th Sector Assam Rifle, Brigadier J. Bansla, and President of Icham N. Rajendro were present on the occasion. Sainik School, Golpara, Assam All Boys Association organized a tree plantation camp at Mitai Laimarol Senai Sang MLSL Koirangai Achangbigai today. On the other hand, a reception program for Rajya Sabha MP Khetrimayum Bhavananda, Chairman of MPSC, retired Lieutenant General Konsam Himale, and members of MPSC WL Hangshing IAS was also held at Youth Hostel, Kumandam Park. Director of College Development Council, Manipur University, Professor T.H. Ratan Kumar has expressed the need of a state government to run university since Manipur University is now a central university. He was speaking at Asufi Christian Institute in Punanamai Mau under Senapati district yesterday. The institute was provided permanent affiliation under Manipur University. A new building block was also inaugurated on the occasion. Speaking further, Professor T.H. Ratan Kumar blamed the tuition culture in Manipur for the lack of interest of teachers at schools and colleges. He also said teachers are involved in malpractices during examinations. The certificate earned using malpractices will mislead one's future. Ratan Kumar also urged the public to take part in the steps taken by the new government in wiping out corruption and developing the education sector. The institute also submitted a memorandum to the government through the chief guest of the event, Parliamentary Secretary of Health and Family Welfare S. Subhash Chandra, to make the institute a government-aided college. Speaking on the occasion, PhD Minister Losi Dikko asserted that the institute in the state border, which is permanently affiliated to the Manipur University, will send out a positive signal about the education system of the state to neighboring state Nagaland.
Teachers are now earning a lot of money because of our inclination towards teaching. Now parents, they send their children for tuition, and then right from the very beginning our students, even the poor parents, they send their children for tuition. And then student teachers in the schools and the colleges, they are also interested in giving tuition because they get money. Then teaching in the school, teaching in secondary school, teaching in colleges, teachers generally neglect. It is quite natural. And the students, they also neglect. They are not interested whether the teacher is teaching rightly or wrongly. Simply they attend the college simply for the sake of attendance.
The stage is all set for Shiv Sena organization to be set up in Manipur under the leadership of Dilip Panikkar. Former President of Janata Dal United Manipur, Moirangthem Tombi, will be the state organizer of the party. The aim of the organization is to perform 80% of the work for the welfare of the people of Manipur and 20% of other works. And in sports news, Huyel Lalong Thangta Association Manipur left Imphal today to participate in the 6th Thangta Federation Cup 2017 to be held from June 15 to 18 at RB Public School, Tharkurdas, Gahari Rohta, Agra in Uttar Pradesh. Teacher of Kha Manipur Thangta Academy, Wabagai Y. Amumacha flagged off the Manipur Thangta players and the officials from North AOC at 7 this morning. Players of TH Birachandra Singh Football Academy, who won the first Sangai Veteran Football Championship and the sponsor of the championship, Managing Director of RK Fortune Developers Private Limited, RK Rameshwar, were felicitated at the ground of TH Birachandra Singh Football Academy, Thobungkok, Makhalaikai today. RK Rameshwar presented mementos to the players of the winning team.
Singna sanaba, naha singna sanaba sunate, active sport person ki event sunate. Veteran football si kanan da ba kan mo ni adu aina madu ki ona da nam aina uzaba opam dinga si Manipur si powerhouse of the sports hai. Adu ain thamjani di ngasi de video weri ba Manipur sport ki phibam se adu mai mamanga sanaraga alaman singna bibi ba ichilduna ngasi ma Idaga international level da Manipur sport people mo ori se matam ding sanaro singna pipi no bi chile na ina no se.
Gopal Deva Kankhud Yai School has emerged victorious in the 62nd Sir Churachand Singh KCSI CBE Memorial League Cup Knockout Open Kang tournament. In the 8th league match played today, Gopal Deva Kankhud Yai School defeated YWKK Uchekun Kankhud by 15-10. LSK Wangoi Kankhud will meet Thangweibung Kankhud in the 9th league match tomorrow. 12 teams are taking part in the tournament that will kick off on the 30th of May. Singjamai Kankhud is organizing the tournament under the aegis of Manipur Kang Association as Singjamai Kangshang in Singjamai Namairakpam Laikai. Thokchom Laikai Youth Club organized the 17th Arambam Somarendra Ningsing Mukna Kumhai in connection to the 17th death anniversary of Arambam Somarendra at Hairok Part 2 today. Floral tributes were paid to the portrait of the renowned writer. 7 pair of players completed at the event. Prizes were also distributed to the winners. Before we end, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. Hyanglam MLA Dr. Radhisham inspects More Market Complex. The complex inaugurated in 2015 is not functional yet. BJP all set to form the Council of Lilong Nagar Panchayat. There are 5 BJP councillors after another joined the BJP today. CAF and PD Minister Karam Sham asserted fast-paced development in the state possible only when elected representatives work honestly. PRO Kuki National Front led Koseng suspected to have been involved in the killing of KRA cadres at N Boljang village arrested. And human rights activist Bablu Loitongwam points out that the freedom of speech and assembly in Manipur was lost in the 1990s.